Yo, what's up guys? How's everyone doing? Guys, it's Bad Music Production here from Producer Buzz, and this week I want to showcase a VST plugin, or it's a synth, an FM kind of synth. Been around since 2009, but hasn't been updated throughout the years, and it comes with 384 different types of sounds. Now obviously using the three oscillators and the modulation combination modes, which there's 4 different types, and then enables you to create 10,000 different sound outputs. Now these presets, they come in 3 banks, each individually holds 128 different kind of sounds, and it works on Windows 32 and 64-bit. Unfortunately, these sounds that I'm going to showcase to you in a second, I've chosen the 10 different kind of sounds, is from bank 1. They will not work on Linux or Mac OS due to compatibility issues with the systems, the operating systems. So yeah guys, before I go into and showing you, I just wanted to do a different kind of video this week, and I will kind of try to do 2 videos a week from now on when I get time. I have missed the upload on the vocal presets, but I've got more vocal presets coming up, so make sure you stay tuned and keep dropping your suggestions on more vocal presets that you want to see. Also got a drum pattern tutorial coming out, which you guys can stay tuned for. Really cool. Apart from that, you can download this free synth. It's free to download. It's in more description. You can download it from Producer Buzz. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the like on this video, and join the channel. Got a lot more free giveaways, VSTs, drum kits, free vocal presets for FL Studio, mainly about FL Studio, but we'll also be looking at different kind of software later on. So yeah, apart from that, let me stop talking, go straight into this. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see here on the screen, we've got the Lucid FM. Now, Lucid FM is basically a free to download FM plugin. As you guys can see on the screen, comes with 3 oscillators, LFOs, reverb, built-in reverb, delay, and all kind of effects. Really cool on a CPU and stuff, so it works pretty well. I've selected, if you guys can see here on the side, it comes with presets. It's just tons of presets. Check this out. There's hundreds of presets on here. So when you guys download it from Producer Buzz, okay, I'm going to show you that in a second. Let's first actually run through these sounds and see what we've got. So let's have a quick listen. Obviously one by one. Very simple sound. Second is the flute pad. So this one. Really cool. So again, really nice. Third sound on here is the drum pattern 3 and 4, which is like just like this. It's called recorder. So check this out. Now, I just done that for fun, but you guys could really smash a trap or hip hop kind of beat. That would just smash it. So you can really make those trippy kind of beats with this. And the best thing, guys, is there's no effects. Look at that. There's no send feeds to any effects. This is all done by the VST plugin itself. I mean, that's amazing. So you guys, you can grab it here from Producer Buzz. There's a link in my description. It's called here Lucid FM. If you go on here on the search, just type in Lucid. You guys can also get it from my description below. As you guys can see, there it is. You can just download it. Once you guys download it, you will need to take the files and put them into your VST folder, as it comes in, the Lucid comes in a DLL file. It also comes with 3 different banks, which you guys will get. So guys, as you can see, once you download it, you will need to extract it, put it in your folder. It comes with a few different like systems and stuff. The Lucid, and comes in a DLL file as well that you will need to drag into your VST plugins folder. Read there's more description here on our website on Producer Buzz on how to install plugins on Windows, so you guys make sure you check that out. The manual installation on here will explain everything. Now, one thing I want to point out is I'm going to run through the rest of these sounds first, and I'm going to show you guys all the different banks and stuff and how to actually preload them. This is a banging, free to use, like VST kind of synth with loads of amazing kind of presets, and you can do a lot of things with it. I do apologize a bit, feedback, it's lagging a bit as we're live and the microphone's playing up. I don't know what's going on. Whoa. As you guys can see, it sounds amazing, really cool. Next sound. You guys can see you can create some amazing beats using these. Some crazy bass as well. Some really futuristic kind of beats. Great for game design as well. Check this out. I actually really like that melody. Do you guys like that melody? I just made it up, you know. But yeah, it is. I've done it for fun. But you guys, check this out. There's, you know, I can just flick through this preset. Oh, it's playing up a bit as it loads up. So I will just flick through some of these presets so you guys kind of get the feel. I will just click on this and play this melody, and you guys get the gist of what we've got. Wow, some dirty bass. Now guys, this is just few sounds that I've showed you. I mean, check this out, there's so many to choose from, right? So you guys can see amazing sounds. But what you guys can do on here, okay, in FL Studio, if you guys want to load a different bank, it comes with 3 different banks which have 123. You click on here at the settings, so on a drop down here, click on the settings up here, and you click on presets, load over here. And you can preload any preset that you guys want. So you go into your VST folder, and when I scroll down, you will see that I have 3 Lucid banks. Now this file will come with 3 different Lucid banks. They're all like 0.1 megabytes. So this is just programmed into the actual VST itself, the synth. So let's say we select the second one, for example. Okay, once you select it, you're gonna click on refresh plugin properties, and this will bring up all the new presets, as you guys can see. So we've got loads of other sounds now that have just been preloaded. Check this out. Now, I think I've already had that one. But you guys, you know, you can go on here, preload any sound, so sound bank 1 or 3, let's say. Click on refresh the plugin. Don't reload the plugin because I'll change it all completely. Just make sure you refresh the plugin and then click on here, and let's check it out. So as you guys can see now, when I go on presets, there's a lot of other sounds now. Check this out. Jesus, crazy sound. Some crazy sounds I've never heard before. Hey. Crazy. Then obviously you guys can add your own effects. So if you use a really cheap sound like this, you know, change this to number 10, and then, oh, not number 10, let's say, I don't know, number 17, for example, and you guys, let's say you add reverb too. You know, so add different effects like EQ, push it up a bit. And, you know, you can really play around with your sound, add a phaser if you want. So make sure you guys always add different kind of effects to your sounds. Obviously when you leave it at nothing, when it sounds blunt, it will sound blunt. It will sound like this. As you can see, from that to this. Obviously if you guys don't want to use these effects on here, you can actually use the reverb on here and play around with this. So make sure you turn it on with the button here, and then play around with the reverb. And you can then turn off like the delay, whatever delay you guys want to use, you know, a distorter, filter, LFO. You can really turn these on and create really nice sound. Check this out. Obviously the distorter is on, turn it off. And you can really play around with this, so I don't know, synced. And then on here, let's say 1 out of 8. So you can really change the settings on how you actually want this to work. And then how you want it to mix. So you can really play around and change the sound. Then obviously you can do this to any sound. So there's a lot of different sounds. So this sounds like misc kind of sound, like drums and stuff. So some weird sounds in here. Obviously you guys need to choose the, you know, out of all these 300, there's about 100 good sounds that you guys could use. Nice triangle sound here. Anyway, you guys get the point. It's free to download. You can go and grab it below in more description. If you guys got any questions, drop them below. Apart from that, hope everyone's been cool, everyone's been safe. Guys, got more vocal presets coming. Drop your suggestions on more vocal presets, on what you guys want to see. Apart from that, peace out. Ciao. Go and grab yourself this Lucid Crazy FM synth. It's free to download. Works on Windows. As you guys know, won't support macOS and Linux, which is a shame, but great sound. And this has been out since 2009. Why has no one told me of this? Like, some amazing sounds. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out. Ciao.